Friends, okay, so this is the almost the end of the week for this my Walgreens week, and we have a snag today, which is Friday the 28th. We'll just throw this on the table. So with this booster, you're supposed to put an order in curbside and get $10 back for whatever purchase. Because it's like a spend booster, you got to use your debit card. However, the Walgreens cash isn't showing as an estimate, which is kind of like, scary. So what is showing is we have that 25%. This guy, that is showing. However, that $10 back, no. Lots of shoppers on Facebook say, oh, it's showing when you get to the store. However, most stores, you have to pick up your curbside order 9 a.m. or later. And I'm recording this at 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. So unless they're a different part of the U.S. or a 24-hour store, I would love to see that. I will be putting in an order and like 9:30ish, sauntering my big butt to the store, and I'll let you guys know in a pinned comment. But just throwing that on the table and being 100% transparent. So I'm not going to show those two boosters at the beginning of every single matchup because it's repetitive. This has to be done curbside only, as the booster is for curbside only. If $10 is too much out of pocket to pay with your debit card, pass on it, guys. And like that old Kenny Rogers song, if you're not a Kenny Rogers gambler, pass on this one, because there's potential here where your $10 might not show up. You're going to have to get in touch with customer service next week, and this, that, and the other. Although it just might appear and it's some sort of glitch in their system because there have been so many shoppers on their site this week. We don't know, but it is what it is right now, where the $10 is not showing. Deal number one, we're doing this curbside. You need your 10 back when you spend 10. Curbside only booster loaded along with the 25%er. We're going to grab two of these Walgreens brand toilet papers, 2 for $10. That is pretty self-explanatory. So throw two of them into a basket. Pay that with your debit card, the $10.60. As you can see, I have $3 of estimated Walgreens cash, which is, I think I have 30% on this store card. So that and my $10 back, that'll be $13 back. So a small freebie and money maker. Remember to use your debit card to pay the balance of this one, as the spend 10, earn 10 is a spend booster. Now this next one, if you like ice cream sundaes, I'm thinking about you. So we're going to grab two of these share size M&Ms, and they are 2 for $10 this week. So you get a good amount of M&Ms candies in the bags. And it's not only this flavor, there's a whole mess of them. This digital coupon is attaching, which is a 2 off of 2. So, load it. And then we're also going to throw in 3 bags of the single size, or the 1.75 ounce bags, to get us to that $10, because you can't use a digital coupon. It'll reduce the curbside basket to less than, because it's a $2 off. So anyhow, 3 bags of the singles, 2 of the share size for $12. Curbside pickup is free. The $2 coupon is melting off. So with your debit card, pay the $10. You're going to get back either $2.50 or $3, depending what percentage booster you have, along with $10. So this would make this, like for me, a $3 money maker and some free M&Ms, and the smaller ones if you sprinkle them on an ice cream sundae. I think that's a little thing called like heaven. I used to do that all the time. So if you're going to do that for me, I'd be so grateful. But no ice cream for this girl, because I'm not going to repeat it in this video because it's Friday. Okay, so deal number 3, just a hodgepodge of items. We have a box of the Tampax Radiant. They are 2 for $11 or $6.99. $6.99 is fine because we have a $4 digital. Is this feminine care part of Beauty Club? The answer to that is no. Sorry I didn't get back to everybody, but I saw a couple of people trying to throw this in to their baskets and it wasn't working yesterday. That's why. I try to answer as many as I can, but sometimes, you get the messages on the next day. So apologies. But this is what we're going to load, which is a $4 only for you coupon. Hopefully you have the same one. Okay, so we're also going to toss in a 79-cent Walgreens single roll of toilet paper, and then one of the Olay Regenerist Retinol. It's a face cleanser for $10.99. Now with that face cleanser, we have a $4 digital coupon that is attaching. And if you got the lotion earlier this week, if you like to match your skincare, I would definitely get this cleanser. So looking at your basket, it's $18.77. Remember, we're doing this curbside. Remember, you have your 10 back when you spend 10 and your 25 or 30% coupon as well loaded. $8 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, pay $11.48, and then I would get back $14 in Walgreens cash, making this a complete freebie. And that face scrub looks absolutely glorious. So one item I would love, love, love to try. Okay, deal number 4. If you are a meat and potatoes couponer, this one is right up your alley, or the one for you. We're going to grab one of the Walgreens brand single roll toilet paper for 79 cents, and then one of the Tide Pod or Tide Liquid priced at $12.99. Earlier this month, we got a bunch of $3 coupons. So whatever's left in your digital coupons folder, this $3 one. Remember, you have your 25% or 30% coupon loaded along with the 10 back when you spend 10. The 10 back when you spend 10, also to answer a quick question, is of a one-time use. Okay, so looking at our basket, my friends, it's $13.78. Curbside pickup is free. That $3 digital is melting off. So with your debit card, you're paying $11.61. And then I would be getting back $13.38 in Walgreens cash, making this a freebie. So how lovely is that? Very delighted. And if you like to stock up on these laundry care products, and I know a lot of us do, I mean, this is just a terrific deal every way that you look at it. So this is probably one that I'm considering, this or the premium skin cleanser, probably maybe the skin cleanser. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at, deal number 5. We are going to grab one COTTONELLE, and then 2 of the Walgreens brand toilet papers. Obviously, for the 2 for $10 for the Walgreens brand toilet paper for the bigger packs, the one that I showed at the beginning of the video, that's a better deal than this. But if you are a COTTONELLE fan, this is one for you. Make sure that you have this friend loaded, which is $1 off. Check Shopkick and IBOTTA if there are some rebates pour vous as well. Looking at your overall basket, it's $11.58, that dollar digital melting off. So you're going to pay $11.27 out of pocket. Have your 2 boosters loaded, your percentage, and the 10 back when you spend 10. And then I should be getting back $12.86. I'm going to have to go on those different rebate apps after I get my receipt for this curbside pickup if there is something for me. Remember with IBOTTA, sometimes they're like, you can't use a coupon with it. So you might have to not do that. But check, double, triple check what the verbiage says on your rebate app. So guys, this might get fixed by lunchtime. It might not get fixed at all. I would keep checking. The site's been really heavily used by many shoppers. So certain times of the day, it completely freezes. So either like the Kenny Rogers song, take a gamble or just hold your cards and pass on this deal. But it's a little too good to pass. It's at the front of their flyer. So I am going to go do it. And then once I pick up my order, I'll let you guys know how things worked out. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.